Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you are doing good and staying safe. A warm welcome back to our channel. So what can you expect from this video? In this video I'll be talking about MHA Masters in Hospital Administration course details in Manipal Institute. What is the application procedure? What is the eligibility criteria for Masters in Hospital Administration program and placements at Manipal? Fee structure of Manipal Institute for Masters in Hospital Administration and what is the last date to apply. If you are a student who is interested in Masters in Hospital Administration, this video will be helpful for you. Watch till the end. Coming to Manipal Institute, about its eminence and what is the grading, all about Manipal Institute I have mentioned in my Masters in Public Health at Manipal Institute video. So I am not emphasizing too much about institute in this video. So coming to Masters in Hospital Administration at Manipal, it's a 2 years program. It has collaborations with Griffith University, Australia. Coming to eligibility criteria of Masters in Hospital Administration at Manipal, listen to this very carefully. Before applying for any institute, please make sure you check the eligibility criteria. Graduates with bachelor's degree in medical sciences, health sciences, allied health sciences, or any other stream from an UGC recognized university with a minimum of 55% are eligible to apply for the course. So basically they are telling any degree is acceptable. Only one major point you should remember is your UG you should have minimum 55% marks. This is the main point. See, from people from maths background, arts background, there is one course called Bridge course. It's a 2-week program conducted by Manipal University itself. You have to attend that. So I hope you are clear with the eligibility criteria. Coming to selection procedure, see, based on your entrance exam result and your personal interview marks, your seat will be allotted. And in case absence of an interview, your CAT score will be considered. This is the selection procedure for Masters in Hospital Administration at Manipal. See, this is the snap I have taken from Manipal. You can go to their official website. See, here they have mentioned last date is 31st May and here they have mentioned last date to apply is June 30, 2021. So I am not clear with whether it's 31st May or whether it's June 30. So better apply by 31st May. And how should you apply? See, this is their official website. Here they have mentioned. Go to that website. You have to choose stream Public Health because it's under Prasanna School of Public Health, right? Your course is Masters in Hospital Administration. I know that. So you have to go to that website and you should select Public Health. Under that there will be an option called Masters in Hospital Administration. Select the program, click on that, enter all your details correctly, apply that and pay the application fee. This is application procedure for Manipal. See, here they have mentioned 2 dates, that is why I am not clear. This is the snap I have taken from official website to give you a correct info. So better apply before the last date, whoever is interested. Coming to placements, see, they have very good collaborations with many industries as well as research institute, hospitals like Apollo, Narayana Hridayalaya, Fortis, Columbatia, all that. They have good collaborations with that and many of their students have placed like health managers, hospital managers in healthcare industry, all that. The department provides placement and internship assistance to students who have successfully completed the program. This is all about placement at Manipal Institute for Masters in Hospital Administration. If you want to know in detail, you can download their brochure. There they have clearly mentioned about placement, all that. Coming to fee structure of Masters in Hospital Administration at Manipal, see, for 2 years it's around 4,34,000 for general category course. See, there are categories like for NRI it's different. You can go to their official website, this manipal.edu.doph.mha. This is their website. Go to this and you can click on the fee brochure. There you can clearly see in which installment how much you have to pay. Here roughly total for general category I have mentioned it's around 4,34,000. This is their official website. To further more details you can visit their website. It will help you to enhance, like you can know much more about Masters in Hospital Administration. like see regarding what is Masters in Hospital Administration course, all that in this video I didn't mention. Like in my upcoming videos I'll be telling what is Masters in Hospital Administration course, like what is its scope, like which field you can work, all that. This is my Instagram ID. I'll be posting all the health related information and preventive and social medicine notes and all the health updates and public health updates. If you are interested, you can follow me on Instagram. This is my ID. Thank you for watching. If this video is helpful for you, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends, whoever is interested in Manipal Masters in Hospital Administration. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Take care, stay safe, stay home. See you all tomorrow with another video.